How to schedule tasks in Hulu. Welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to schedule tasks in Hulu. Now, Hulu does not have a task scheduling feature is in the traditional sense of productivity app. However, users often refer to scheduling it in a two specific context: scheduling DVR recording for live broadcast or managing business ad campaign. Now, if you have Hulu Plus Live TV subscription, you could schedule the Cloud DVR to record upcoming event or series episode as well. You just want to navigate to a live guide or use the search bar to find the specific show, movie, or sport teams. Select the title to go to its detail page and look for record icon and select it. You can choose to record just a single episode or a new episode only to automate future scheduling as well. Then you could just go to My Stuff, manage DVR to see your upcoming scheduling record and manage storage space as well. And that's where you could go ahead and schedule task. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.